Hello kids, I'm Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter that is Susruta, an ancient plastic surgeon. In the midnight when Susruta was awakened by a fascinating knocking at the door, "Who's out there?" asked the aged doctor, tucking a lighted torch from its socket in the wall and approaching to the door. "I am a traveler, my revenge Shustra," was the anguished reply. "A tragedy was befallen me. I need your help." Shustra opened the door. What he saw was a man kneeling before him, tears flowing from his eyes and blood from his disfigured nose. "Get up, my son, and come in," said Shushruta. "Everything will be all right. Be quiet now." He led the strangers to the neat and clean room with surgical instrument on its wall. He washed his face with water and the juice of medicinal plant. He then offered him a mug of wine and began preparing for the operation. With a large leaf of creeper brought from the garden, he measured the size of stranger nose. Taking a knife and forceps from the wall, he held them over a flame and cut a strip of flesh from the stranger's cheek. The man moaned, but the wine has numbed his senses. After bandaging the cut in the cheek, Shusra cautiously inserted two pipes in the stranger's nostrils and transplanted the flesh to the distinguished nose. Molding the flesh into shape, he dusted the nose with powdered licorice, red sandalwood, and an extraction of Indian barberry. He then he then enveloped his nose in cotton, sprinkled some refined oil of sesame on it, and finally put a bandage. Before the traveler left, he was given an instruction on what to do and what not to do, and was listed of medicines and herbs he was taken regularly. He was also asked to come back after a few weeks to be examined. In this manner, Shushruta mended a nose some 26 centimeters centuries ago, and what he did is not greatly different from what a plastic surgeon would do today. In fact, Shustra is today recognized as the father of plastic surgery all over the world. His treatise as Shustra Samhita has considerable medicinal knowledge of relevance even today. It indicates that India was far ahead of the rest of the world in medicinal knowledge. Born in the 6th century BC, Susruta was a descendant of Vedic sage of Vishwamitra. He learned surgery and medicine at the feet of Devo, Devodasa Dhanmantari in his hermitage at Varanasi. Later, he became an authority is not only surgery but also in other branches of medicine. He was a first physician to advocate what is known as Caesarean operation. He was the only an expert in removing urinary stones, locating the thread, treating fractures, and doing eye operation for cataract. Suggestions to give wine to patients avoid to be operated upon marks him also as a father of anesthesia. In his treatise, Sustruta listed 101 type of instrument. His Sandasha yantras are the first form of modern surgeons. Spring focus and distinctions are dressing focus. In fact, the systems of naming surgical instrument after the animal and the birds they resemble in shape. For example, crocodile forceps, hawksbill forceps is adopted even today. Sustra was also an excellent teacher. He told his pupil that one could become a good physician only if one knew both theory and practice. He advised his pupil to use carcasses and model to practice before surgery. Thank you.